So my name is John Rignoli. I'm a senior political science major with a minor in economics, and we're in San Juan, Texas. So yesterday we went to the border, this park, Nature Conservancy, and behind it was the actual border wall. So the way they had done it was that they had cut the Nature Conservancy in half to put the border wall in. And I think a lot of people didn't realize not only what impact it has on people, but what impact it has on the environment, the ecosystem there. But I think a lot of it, it was a lot of Abraham talking to us and giving us a lot of information. I think for a lot of the members of the group, it was a lot to process. From Virginia, you only see what you're seeing on the news. You only see what you're reading. You see the information that you're fed. But when you get there, it is, it doesn't feel the same. You expect to see people crossing, you expect to see this danger zone or whatever, and really what you see is this barren land, cars driving through and things like that. And I think it really helped to draw the picture of what's actually going on down here. One of the things that Abraham showed us was there were shoelaces on the floor, and those shoelaces are when somebody is detained, somebody crosses the border, and they're detained there, the first thing that happens is that the officials will take their shoelaces because those shoelaces can be used to hurt themselves or other people. Seeing that the shoelaces were there and you're standing, you're standing there as somebody who doesn't have to face that issue. You're standing in the spot of somebody who just risked their life to get to the United States. And having been stopped there, they feel no hope and feel as if the only option is now to take their own life. So it was a very powerful moment, I think. For a lot of people and a lot of emotions that, took a lot of time to unpack. One thing that, the CSL office and the Alternative Break Program really hammer through is that we're not here to save these people. We're here for a week, and no effort that we can do will compare to the work that the organization has been doing for much longer. So what we're here to do is say, hey, we're here to help you in whatever you need us to do, but we're not coming here to say, we're your savior, we're better, so we're going to teach you these things. That's not what we're here for. I think the main thing is that we're here to learn and we're here to understand. And I think that the message that Cesar Chavez really put forward was, you can do this yourself. Humans have the ability, people have the ability to do things. They might just need help. They might need a little encouragement. They might need, somebody to have their back. But at the end of the day, people have the willpower, people have the strength, people have the ability to do whatever they put their mind to. They might just not be in the right situation.